Hi guys, this is how to enable and disable one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's go. All you need to do is open the settings menu either from home screen or from the control panel, then scroll down to the advanced features section over here. And now just enable one-handed mode and tap on one-handed mode to select the way you enter this mode. If you select gesture, you need just to swipe down on the bottom of the screen, and so that now the working area of the screen is shrink and you can reach to any point just with one finger. Swipe down one more time to enlarge the screen back, and also you can select the button, so double tap on the home button and double tap to exit one-handed mode, and of course you can permanently disable this mode over here. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.